let's go.
The side door locked. You have to get in and get out.
Can you get out?
Yeah, I don't have a key to get out. You have to have a key to get in and out.
213, because we got her in chain. We're going to try to come out to the front.
The front door is well, you can't open it. The door's he's got it locked.
Oh, he screwed it in.
La serrure ne s'ouvre pas de l'intérieur, la porte d'entrée non plus. Même libre de sa chaîne, elle est toujours prisonnière. Cette maison n'est pas un domicile, c'est une cage, construite pièce par pièce, verrou après verrou. Il y avait réfléchi, il avait planifié.
He's got screwdrivers in this other room. It's locked. In the kitchen to the left.
Nobody's in the basement, right?
No, nobody's here.
3 Baker, are you on the other side of the front door?
10-4.
This room is locked. He won't never let me in there. You have to have a key to get in.
Hey, I got fire out here.
I don't know.
10-4. It looks like they got the front door and all the doors down there nailed shut. You're fine. We're here now, okay? We're gonna get you out of here. Don't say sorry for nothing.
Les pompiers enfoncent la porte. Ces mots murmurés dans les larmes résonnent comme une blessure supplémentaire, le signe d'une emprise si profonde qu'elle s'excuse encore, même d'avoir été enchaînée. C'est ça, la violence conjugale dans sa forme la plus terrifiante, faire croire à la victime qu'elle est responsable de ce qu'on lui fait subir.
You need fire to force this door.
10-4. We're clear. We can go ahead and force it.
You bust that door.
All right, let's go in here real quick, okay? That's fire. They're forcing the door open for us.
He called me on the phone. He's like, I can see this lady. She's chained up. I was like, I'll be right there.
Watch the mirror. Okay. Come on now.
Hey, did y'all clear the house?
Yeah, we cleared it. The only thing locked still is the basement door right here. She said nobody else is in here.
And the left door right there, it keeps locked.
Yeah, you had a chance to look up.
Hey, Randy, grab the bolt cutter.
Who did this?
Which
Are you hurt? You need EMS or anything?
well, I just went out of here.
Okay. You want to sit out here on the porch? Okay.
You do like a little blockade so everybody's not getting videos of her. Just block with your body here. I don't want everybody to see her.
Elle est libre. Elle veut juste sortir de cette maison. Un simple porche, un peu d'air frais, quelques mètres de distance entre elle et l'enfer. Les officiers forment un bouclier humain autour d'elle pour la protéger des regards. Même dans les pires moments, il reste des gestes d'humanité qui font toute la différence.
How long you had that around your neck?
4 hours, maybe 5. We have a one-year-old daughter together.
Where's she at?
My aunt has custody of her.
Okay.
And that's why he's always fighting with me. Because they wouldn't let her go home to this house. He said, you're not going nowhere this time. He said, you're going to do it nicely or we're going to do it the hard way. When he left, I tried getting it off the floor. I got close enough to the window. I broke the window and yelled at the neighbors.
4 à 5 heures avec une chaîne autour du cou. Une petite fille d'1 an confiée à une tante. Parce que les autorités avaient refusé de la laisser grandir dans cette maison. Comme si quelqu'un avait senti, avant même ce jour, ce dont cet homme était capable. Et lui, avant de partir faire ses courses, il avait lâché une phrase. Cette fois, tu ne pars nulle part. Un aveu à peine déguisé de ce qu'il avait l'intention de faire à son retour.
Just hold really still real fast. You want to go like 30?
Might be easier to cut the link on the chain. What kind of car does he drive?
He don't have a car. He was with his friends, but I don't know. They picked him up in the back to take stuff back to Lowe's.
What's his name?
Moses.
Moses?
His last name May. He's a stocky guy. He's got 2 tattoos of his daughter and son's name on his chest and a Scorpio right here on his arm. He's got hair like down to his shoulders.
How long y'all been together?
We've been together for 4 years.
Y'all have kids together?
We have 1 daughter.
You said you don't need EMS?
No, I don't need it.
Yeah. No, you're not sorry for nothing.
3 ou 4 ans de relation. Une fille ensemble. Et pendant tout ce temps, derrière les murs de cette maison barricadée, quelque chose de monstrueux se construisait. Ce n'était pas un coup de folie, c'était un système.
And you all cleared the house? Good.
I mean, yeah, we can go back again to double check. I'm not.
Yeah,
I'm not
let's run another search just to make sure.
Like 10 kittens.
Is there dead ones around?
No, but
Because there's like some death smelling over
I
here.
know. I told him to take care of him, and there's already 3 missing. I don't know if he killed them or what.
I got straight for you. Police.